Okay, this is a motion to enforce Rule 16. This is to take down video that I had on YouTube. Let's see, motion, yep, once again, the repeat granted. The judge granted it in pursuit of the criminal code. And he said within 12 hours, I have to take down all the imagery and videos identifying witnesses and victims through the that's on the YouTube, because it's not authorized for evidence. Let's see. Matt Karzen was the one who implemented it. On behalf of the people, honorable court issue certain orders to protect the integrity of the process, limits the use of which materials are furnished pursuant to the rule that may only be used for purposes of preparation of the trial provided to others. Defense counsel is not required to provide actual copies of the discovery to me. As reflected in the attachment, they have 6 exhibits. I repeatedly posted copies of material in the discovery on the internet. Names, dates of birth, phone numbers, addresses. This is what he's claiming. As a result, he's posting people have been violent, calling my victims of bootlickers, and they're going to have their houses burned. But there's no picture of this houses burned comment. There is a bootlicker picture. It's generated dangerous and threatening situation for the civilian witnesses in this case. So they say that it's entirely for litigation, and that I've created a threatening atmosphere for my victims. All of my victims, they're threatened. So just give that time. Oh man, that's a long one. Okay, let's see. People request Mr. Hines must delete all the images, discovery, personal identifier information of any witness to or victim's acts charged with any internet-based, not limited to YouTube. I think this is repeated, but it was used, not authorized under Rule 16, and because it's necessary to prevent intimidation or retaliation directed at civilian witnesses. Prohibited from posting any images of discovery material and personal identifying information from the civilian witnesses and victims of the act charged on the internet, and disseminating it outside of its legal defense, because that use is not authorized. And that's the court rules. It's necessary to prevent intimidation or retaliation. Violation will be deemed contempt of court. And Matt Karzen, behalf of the people, so he's certifying himself. And this order was made end of August. And this comment, there's really nothing here. I gave a survey asking if I should take the video down, but Craft Services said that he already copied the video. This Road Dog 50, this is used in the evidence, as part of the evidence. So they're just calling him a bootlicker, and said that their personal information is now on the internet and anybody can find it. And so the prosecutor used this to convince the judge to put out the order that I needed to take my videos down, so that, or I'll face contempt of court. So yeah, I already pulled their addresses up. So the road dog said that to Kraft. So you get into arguments with Kraft, and obviously he'll take those. And that Kraft guy, he's the guy out of Coke Hill, pretty much.